Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains what the iScreen Widgets and Wallpaper app is and how it's positioned. Based on official App Store descriptions, iScreen is a home screen customization app that offers widgets, themes, and wallpapers to personalize mobile devices. The app is designed so you can choose from a variety of widgets such as clocks, calendars, weather panels, photo walls, and countdowns to add useful information directly to your home or lock screen. Official listings also indicate iScreen provides a large selection of high-resolution wallpapers and themed backgrounds to refresh your phone's appearance. Descriptions show the platform supports DIY tools, letting users create custom wallpapers with templates like Polaroid or animated marquee lights to match personal style. Verified information highlights additional features such as dynamic panels, emoji notes, and interactive elements that respond to touch and add personality to your device. The app also offers control center customization and charging animations for added flair and practical quick access features. Some listings reference themes that embrace newer operating system styles like enhanced widget effects and 3D space visuals as part of aesthetic improvements. This video is an informational overview based on publicly available descriptions. It does not guarantee app performance or user satisfaction, which can vary based on individual experience, device compatibility, and updates. This app may be useful for users who want to personalize their home and lock screens with creative widgets, themed wallpapers, and interactive elements. For users interested in aesthetic customization, dynamic widgets, and a wide variety of themes, this could be an option. Whether this app is worth using depends on individual needs and preferences. If you found this video helpful, feel free to drop a like. And comment down below if you have any additional information on this app or notice anything missing or outdated.